So this is my new transceiver. This is of course Homebrew, like most of my transceiver. So this one is hybrid transceiver, half tube, half as SDR. So here this is the receive part. So this is the SDR receiver. And here this is the transmit part using a tube, a 12 V6 GT tube. So the filament is about 12 volt, on the anode voltage about 350, on the screen voltage it's about 285, yeah, something like that. So it's used with crystal, and also I can use external VFO. So the external VFO will be this one. So the circuit is ready, I need to build it. But for the moment I use only crystal. So the two VU meter, one VU meter for the current, for the anode current, and the other VU meter, this is for the voltage, the anode voltage, not the screen voltage. I think I'm going maybe to add a little switch in order to check the screen on the anode voltage. This one, this is a bulb. The bulb is for the it will be connected. It's not connected yet. I just finished the transceiver. There is one or two things I need to finalize. So the bulb, this is like the paraset, you know. It will be linked to the output of the transceiver, and according with the tuning, it will bright less or more. So this is here. This is the volume. You see. So you see the receiver. There is a station transmitting. Okay, so here, this is it. It will stay like that. It will be not covered. This is a pretty much old school construction, you know. So here, this is the tube. So this is the 12 V6. Here, this is the coil. One coil. For the moment, I'm using many coils. Since I have a few coils, I'm using many coils. There is a coil for the 30 meters band. Here, the coil for the 80 meters band. Here, the 20 meters band, here the 15 meters band. But after, when all the coil will be finalized, I will replace with a single coil here on I will have a band switch here in order to change the band according with the coil. But first, I need to finalize the tuning to check the tuning of the tube according with how many wings, how many turn you need, and so on. It's a bit tedious. It's not like power amplifier. You know, with my power amplifier, it was much easier. This one is a little bit tedious, I will say. So here, this is the sequencer, you know, with the antenna, receive, transmit. Here, this is a multi-vibrator. From a 12 volt, I managed to have about a 350 volt with about a 50 to 60 milliamp. So it feeds the screen on the anode voltage, on the anode. So for the anode, I have a resistor here. It's a kind of bleeder resistor. And here for the screen, I have also a resistor in order to drop a bit the voltage to about 280 volt. So according with this tube, I managed to have about 12 watt on 80 meters. So I'm going to make a test. So I'm going to put on dummy-load, sorry. It's better, I'm going to disturb. So it's on the dummy-load now. So here I'm going to transmit. So here you can see the anode voltage. For the moment, no current. So, yeah, it's about 12 watts. Yeah, not so bad. Oh, hold on. Yeah. So this is just to monitor the transmit. It's quite clean. It's okay. I'm going to make more sound. Yeah, you see, no no chirp, it's okay. So the transmit is quite clean. I check the spectral purity on 40 meters, it's about a 47, minus a 47 dB. 20 meters, it's about 45, if I can remember, or something like that. So it's more than acceptable. So yeah, I'm quite happy. It's working quite well. Few days ago, I managed to contact the US with this kind of transmitter. I can use also this transmitter with this teeny amplifier, and with this teeny amplifier, I will be able to have about 80 to 120 watt. So far so good. I'm quite happy. Yeah, I'm quite happy about this transmitter. It's working quite well. Yeah, I like to see the gauge moving like that. I'm going to put LED because it's I find the gauge on AliExpress, but I cannot find the same one with LED. So I'm going to put LED in order to be more fancy, to pimp a bit the transceiver. So far so good. Yeah. It was a long way with this transceiver. I struggled a bit. When I test everything on the bench, everything was working perfectly. When I put it together, as usual, as always, I will say, I have some teeny issue, no big issue, but I need to adjust almost everywhere in order to have a perfect TRX. So I'm quite happy. So my best 73. And see you very soon on the air with this teeny transceiver. Bye-bye. This is Victor 85 November Papa Victor on QRT.